Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Wanted to show you an absolutely beautiful bike. So Scott brought me this bike. It's a 22 Road Glide CVO. Love the colors. It screams Harley. But factory it came with the Rockford Fosgate HD audio by Rockford, aka Boom Audio if you went back a couple years. And we're already finding out that most people with a bike to this caliber, they're just not happy with their Rockford speakers. So he brought it into us. He brought it in from Kentucky. A lot of people come a lot further, but you can be close, you can be far. We would love to have you come down, let us build your bike. Well, we did a full Hertz upgrade on it. We actually used a Precision Power 800 watt amp with our HD Audio by Rockford bypass harnessing. We're one of the few places that have a harness set up that we can do an upgrade without cutting any wires in the bike. Go over what we did. We did SX165Neos from Hertz in the fairing with new grills. We did the SV165s in the back without the tweeters and the tour pack for a little more mid-bass response. And then we did the SX690 6x9s from Hertz, the Neos, in the lids with our cut kits. And it turned out absolutely phenomenal. Scott didn't necessarily want to stand here in the video, and I don't blame him. Everybody gets nervous on camera. But I wanted to show you the bike, just how beautiful it is, that we can do this to your CVO also, and hang out as we show you the Walkaway here in just a second so you can see just how good it sounds. All right, we got a beautiful day here. And I've got Scott's bike, this beautiful Road Glide, and I'm fixing to do a Walkaway and let you hear how it sounds. Now, factory, it was HD audio by Rockford. We removed the amp from the side bag, upgraded the tour pack speakers and the fairing speakers, the Hertz SX and SV series speakers. We also added 6x9s in the lids. Now, you lose power lid locks if you do that, but that's what he wanted, so that's what we've done. I think it looks great, it sounds great, and we didn't cut or modify any wiring in the bike. We used Volunteer Audio's plug-and-play harnessing to bypass that HD Audio by Rockford amp. So check out how awesome it sounds as I do this Walkaway. Oh, and don't forget, we're doing copyright-free music. I know it may not be what you listen to, but it sounds a lot better in person than it does here, and it still sounds phenomenal in the video. All right, here we go with our Walkaway. Get our radio turned up where it needs to be and unpause our track. Very crystal clear, super loud, real good bass response. Now you can hear that bass. Beautiful Saturday here. Scott's over there listening to it. Man, he's blown away. HD audio by Rockford sounds good in the dealership, but once you go down the road, you realize you definitely need more volume and more clarity. We'll walk a couple hundred feet down here just so you can see how clear it is as we get away from it. And you can imagine if you can hear it this far away, it's extremely loud sitting there in between all these speakers on the bike. We're not going to aggravate the neighbors too long today, so we do these weekend jobs here at our warehouse slash house slash offsite garage, but we've got a retail location too. But we don't want to aggravate them too much today. I just want to tell you thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Please comment below if you think this is something you would want to get done. If you want to visit the Great Smoky Mountains and this beautiful area we live in here in East Tennessee, just reach out to us at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Visit us at volunteeraudio.com or just drop a comment below in the video. We'd love to hear from you and answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.